Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can contact us through the WhatsApp number that is provided on the channel and in this video as well. So we're looking into real exam questions. So that's the next one here. Next one here that we are doing here is the Morecambe Street to Horselydown Lane. Right, so once again, when we have to plan, we always look at the green and the red point. So we are traveling from the green and going towards the red. So from here you can see the red point is on the top of our screen. So that means we need to go up, and it's slightly on the right side compared to the green point that we have, the starting point that we have. So this means we have to plan in a way that we go up slightly towards the right and towards the top. Okay, so that's how you always kind of look at it. Now let's zoom in, and we can start from here. So just click on the green point, and then because we need to go slightly towards the top, so just take this side, follow the arrow, and you come out from here. So we are still in the street, so we will get to the main road. So keep going from here, follow this and keep going down here, turn left, and then we will join the main road here. So once we are on the main roads, we know that we need to go towards the top because that's on the top of the screen. So keep going straight. Just make sure you follow this arrow, not the next road that you have. So just follow this arrow, and then from here we simply need to go around. Again, the arrow will help come out of this roundabout, and then you keep going straight, and then from here you just need to follow A100. Okay, so we are on A100, so we just follow A100 from here, and then let's see. Okay, so keep going straight from here. We're still on A100. Again, don't worry about these two lines that you have because that's for the train, the station that we have. So for that we have this line, so we'll just carry on going straight, and then from here we can see that the point that we have, that's there, the red point, and then next to the red point we have this line, this bold line. So we can't go here and then turn this way because of this small line as well here, and also this line that we have. So this means we need to plan in a way that we come down here and then we go in. So you can come down here and go in from here as well directly to get this, right? Because there is no arrow here. So there is no point coming down here and then following this, because this will take you to this point, but then it's going to be slightly longer, right? So we always look for the points which are we always look for the route which are easy, simple, and direct route. So we can't directly come down here. So you come down here and then you get into this street, right? And then come here and then you just click on this point, and that's how you will manage to get to this red point. So if we zoom out now from here, so you will see how direct and simple route this is, right? Very straight. You just need to come out of the streets, just go around from here, and then don't worry about these. I always say that about these train lines that you see here. So you just go through this. And the other point that you have to keep in mind is this point from here, that don't go here. Many people, they make mistake. They will try to go here and come here, because you lose marks for this. Because of this line, we can't go straight and come down. So you need to come down here and then go in and click on this, right? So that's how we got to that point. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.